Good morning. This will be the last media release from the Nandi Weather Office in regards to Tropical Cyclone Pam that has been around for this week. At 1:30 a.m. This morning, severe Tropical Cyclone Pam has gone out of the Nandi RSMC area of our responsibility. It's across to the Wellington or the New Zealand area of responsibility. So right now, New Zealand has taken over in disseminating the warning as the tropical cyclone has continued to move south. At 6 a.m. this morning, severe tropical cyclone Pam was located 1,100 kilometers to the west-southwest of Nandi, and it continues to track south or southeast at a speed of 25 knots or 50 kilometers an hour. So it has moved out of our area, and there's no more concern as far as the TC is concerned. But the associated weather is still affecting the Fiji group in terms of strong wind warning. We still maintain strong wind warning for Fiji. It's going to ease later today, and if it warrants us for us to remove it, then we are going to remove the strong wind warning. Also, the associated weather in terms of rainfall is still around, and the winds, as I've said, winds we are still maintaining a strong wind warning for the whole of Fiji group. It is where the situation is always unstable, and it is a very broad system that you have seen already this week, and it's going to take 1 day, 24 hours to 48 hours to really improve and go back to normal weather pattern that always exists around our area. And for Rotuma, we still maintain a strong wind warning since it's still Rotuma is far to the north of Fiji for the land and for the waters too, and some heavy rainfall. And for the marinas too, we are still issuing 20 to 30 knots northwesterly winds, and gusting up to 40 knots. So the mariners should still take heed to the warning that is coming from the Fiji Met Service. That is basically the update this morning. As we have heard, Tropical Cyclone Pam has become one of the strongest cyclones, maybe second strongest to hit the Pacific. There was Zoe in 2003, January. That was also Category 5, and that was the most powerful one. But we have seen what has happened over Vanuatu the last 48 hours when Pam struck them. So thank you.